Module 1, Lesson 13, Exercise 2. Solve the equation for x, and then the dreaded equation, one that makes no sense at all. There's just too much here to do. But when I look, I see that I have soft grouping symbols, so this is a section of the equation I can work on, and once I get it out of the way, I can start working on this harder bracket, the square brackets. So let's see. I always have to start somewhere, and the best place to start is with the equation. Identify your equation and think about our goal. Our goal is to find x. We're going to do this. We can. I know we can. So the first thing I'm thinking is I'd sure like to see that this set of parentheses go away, because that would make this other one a little bit easier to work with. Let's see what we can do. Distribute the -3. Notice that I distributed the -3 to the x and the -1. There's my -1, there's my x, -3, and -3. That -3 was the negative was attached to the 3, so I protected it. I enclosed it in parentheses. Messy, but it works. Next step. Simplify through multiplication. I multiplied -3 times x, getting -3x. -3 times -1, getting +3. Nice. Now, it'd be nice if I could shrink this down a little bit, and one of the simplest things I can do is use the commutative property. I commuted the -3x and the 3. Notice I took the negative with my 3x, and I have 8 plus 3, which is something I know, and see that this is going to start getting much nicer. Much nicer. I combine my like terms. Now I still have this negative I need to get out of my hair, but it's really not as bad as it was. So let's go ahead and distribute negative. And remember, that's an invisible -1 that's poking in front, so I need to preserve that. Again, -1 times 11, -1 times -3x. Here it is. And I've distributed it, protecting my negatives. Yay! Let's simplify with multiplication. -11 and -1 times 11, -11, and negative times negative plus 3x. It's looking pretty good now. It doesn't look half as bad as it did, doesn't it? And let's see. A little commutative. Get my x's together so I can combine my like terms. 6x minus 11 equals x plus 19. Not bad. Finally, let's get our x's on one side. Subtract x from both sides. Notice nothing changed except for this went down by 1, and subtracting 1 from x made 0. It's all good. We're safe. 5x equals 30. I had to have added 11 to both sides to make the 11 go away here. Adding 11 to 19. 30. We're good. Like it. And finally dividing, we get x equals 6. We solved a problem. Yay.